Looking to create the ultimate gaming PC without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Let's explore how you can build an amazing setup for under $2,000. At FikraNice store, we offer a comprehensive range of high-performance components and accessories tailored for gamers. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast, we have everything you need to craft your dream gaming setup. Let's start with the heart of your gaming rig, the CPU. Our latest gen CPUs provide lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Next, you'll want the MLLSE GTX 1080 Ti, which delivers breathtaking graphics for an immersive 4K gaming experience. But that's just the beginning. Our high-efficiency RGB cooling system not only keeps your rig cool under pressure, but also adds a vibrant aesthetic to your setup. And don't forget about storage. We offer SSD options that ensure fast load times, making lag a thing of the past. Now let's talk about the complete setup. We don't just provide the PC components, we equip you with everything necessary for an unbeatable gaming experience. A stunning 144Hz monitor for fluid and responsive visuals, perfect for fast-paced games. A spacious gaming desk designed for comfort and functionality, giving you plenty of space for all your gear. A responsive mechanical keyboard that feels great to type on and offers the tactile feedback gamers crave. A precision gaming mouse with customizable DPI settings to give you the edge in competitive play. Plus, don't forget our high-quality gaming headphones for crystal clear audio and immersive soundscapes. But don't just take our word for it. Join the FikraNice community of satisfied gamers who have transformed their setups with our products. Check out our customer testimonials on our site and see how we've helped others like you elevate their gaming experience. Ready to elevate your gaming experience? Visit now to explore our incredible selection. With our unbeatable prices and quality, you can build the perfect setup that won't break the bank. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and exclusive deals from FikraNice store. Let's level up your gaming together.